Today we are going to do chapter 3, 6th class, Stone Soup 3.3. Where does the story? First question A, question 1 का A. Where the following question? Answer the following question. Where does the story take place? This is your question and this is your answer. The story takes place in a village. Question 1 का B. List the character in the play and write 1 or 2 lines about each. So हमने यहाँ पे सबके बारे में 1 और 2 लाइन लिखा है. फर्स्ट इज मोतीराम, सेकेंड सोनाबाई, हीराबाई, रूपाबाई, ट्रैवलर. सबके बारे में हमने यहाँ पे 2 लिखा है. मोतीराम, ही इज़ अ फार्मर. ही हैज़ had a good produce that year. He doesn't like others to know how well his crops have grown because he doesn't like to enter unwanted guests. He is very direct and rude with unwanted guests. Sonabai, she is a farmer wife. Her husband farm has a good produce that year. She doesn't like invited guests. She is clever at making excuses. सबने यहाँ पे सबके बारे में लिखा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का C. हाउ डू द फॉलोइंग अवॉइड गिविंग एनीथिंग टू द ट्रैवलर. मोतीराम, सोनाबाई, हीराबाई, रूपाबाई, इन लोगों ने कैसे अवॉइड किया ट्रैवलर को कुछ भी देने से. सो फर्स्ट Motiram avoid giving anything to the traveler is a very direct and rude way. He just tell him that dinner is over and nothing is left. He tells the traveler to try elsewhere and bang the door shut. Sonabai pretended to be hard of hearing. She pretended to hear the word wood instead of food. Hirabai pretended not to understand the traveler language. Rupabai says that her larder is empty and that she herself is hungry. Question 1D. Find what Hirabai tells the traveler by reading her word from right to left. So, answer is go away, no food and no rest for anyone here. Good. Second point. Good. I do not want you to go elsewhere. Question 1E. Apart from the stone, how many things go into the stone? Soup. Apart, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Apart from the stone, the following things go into the soup: peeled potatoes, tomatoes, carrot, bean, onion, ginger, salt and pepper. Question 1F. Does the traveler really have a magic stone? Answer is यहाँ से यहाँ तक. No, the traveler does not have a magic stone. The magic is the feeling of wanting to share in the heart of people. Question 2. This is your question number 2. On any one page, note and against the speech of every character what feeling it could show to bring out the meaning best. For example, joy, fear, hungry, nervousness, friendliness, dislike, surprise, wonder, excitement, politeness, rudeness, annoying करनी थी. हीराबाई, guess can be a nonsense, dislike. Motiram, dinner is over, there is nothing left, try elsewhere. Rudeness. Sonabai, hello, may I can see some help? Annoying and currently. Rupabai, a magic stone that makes soup. I can hardly believe this. Surprise. Question 3. Read aloud and act the play. इस क्वेश्चन 3 यही है कि आपको रीड करना है पूरा एक्ट और उसको प्ले करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. राइट अ रेसिपी फ्रॉम द स्टोन सोप. तो इंग्रेडिएंट है, ये रहे आपके इंग्रेडिएंट. स्टोन सूप के आपको इंग्रेडिएंट लिखने हैं और आंसर लिखने हैं. Ingredient: a pot of water, a stone, peeled potato, tomato, carrot, bean, onion, a piece of ginger, salt, pepper and some kindness in the heart of the people who make it. How to Make it drop a stone into the pot of water, boil the water and a few peeled potato and stir. Add tomatoes and plates of carrots and stir again. Add beans, onion, ginger and stir. Add salt, pepper and serve hot. Question 5. From pair and write at least one short dialogue from each to the following experience. I agree. True. You are right. Why do? To mean that something can be done. Thank you. Solution. तो हमने भी यहाँ पे एक डायलॉग राइटिंग बनाया है मी. So this is your dialogue writing. Me. We should all ask the teacher to change the topic for the essay. I agree. It is rain. There will be a water logging on this part of the road. True. I don't think Joy will be able to carry that load. Someone will help to him. You are right. Shall we ask the teacher to take us to the greenhouse? Why not? This is your answer. We use every. Or here is a box of pencil for your little brother. Thank you. Question 6. Find the meaning of charity began at home. This is your question. Find other saying which have a similar meaning. तो ऐसी बात कोई सिमिलर मीनिंग में कहता है. अ पर्सन फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज़ टू सी टू द नीड्स ऑफ हिज हर ओन फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स बिफोर हेल्पिंग अदर पीपल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. List. This is your question. List 5 questions from the play which can be answered with yes or no. First question is from the play. A magic stone that makes soup. Yes or no. इसमें आपका आंसर आएगा 1 or 2. You said carrot and tomato could give it a temper color. Couldn't they? Does it melt away? Have you guessed the secret of stone soup? This is your question. Question number 9. Find a library. Find the story about ghost and guest. Share them with the class. Classify the story into funny and serious stories. Then do it by yourself. ये तो आपको खुद से सही करना पड़ेगा. आपको लाइब्रेरी में जाके ऐसी स्टोरीज होंगी जो भूत पर, घोस्ट पर या गेस्ट पर बेस्ड हो. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Share this video and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel.